You ready, Nathan?
Hey y'all, Dyin Barbecue, back in front of the grill today. Coming back, welcome back. If it's your first time here, hey, thanks for checking us out. Today we're going to be talking dips. We're going to be making one of my favorite dips. It's super simple, super easy. This buffalo chicken dip, always amazing. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, punch the like button. Let's get into making a buffalo chicken dip. Like I said, this dip, super easy. All the ingredients are right here. What you're gonna need is some shredded chicken, some ranch dressing, Frank's Red Hot, cream cheese, and just some shredded cheese. Now for the chicken, it's just shredded chicken. You can use whatever chicken you want to. You can use chicken breast, chicken thighs, legs, whatever. What I've got here is just some chicken thighs that I smoked out here on the grill, and then I just shredded it. The key to shredding chicken is to do it while it's still hot. So as soon as that thing comes off the grill, let it rest about 5 minutes just so you can kind of handle it, and then you can shred it up and get that real good shred on a chicken. Build this dip, what we got here is a half a cup of ranch dressing. We'll toss that off in the bowl here. Then we've got 1 block of cream cheese, softened cream cheese. You need it to be soft so you can mix it together. Get that cream cheese off in here. And then I've got 3/4 cup of Frank's Red Hot. You could use a half a cup. I like the 3/4 cup. I like it a little bit spicier, so that's what I'm gonna go with. Pour that off in the mix. We're just gonna go ahead and kind of blend this together a little bit, just to kind of get it mixed up, kind of bust up that cream cheese a little bit. Like I said, your cream cheese needs to be soft. That way it mixes up a little bit better. Just use your spoon and kind of work it till you get that cream cheese all busted up and kind of broke down in this mixture here. Doesn't have to be broken up real good, because once it's on the smoker it's going to kind of melt, but you do want to kind of get it busted up and get it blended in pretty good. Then we're going to come with our chicken. This is about 2 cups of shredded chicken. Use as much chicken as you want to. 2 cups seems to work about right for this recipe, so that's what I'm going to do. Kind of fold that in a little bit. Then we're just going to come back with our cheese. This is just 1 cup mozzarella and 1 cup of shredded cheddar. Get that off in there. Once again, just give it a mix. You just want to get it blended together, because once you get it on the smoker, all this cheese is going to kind of melt in with everything. It's going to be delicious. So we'll just kind of mix it up here. Now then, we're just going to take this mixture that we mixed up. We'll just toss it off into a pan. This is just a greased skillet. You could use a cast iron. You could use a disposable full pan. Whatever you want to use to put on the smoker to put this in, go ahead and do it. We'll just press this down into our skillet here until it looks something like this. Now then, I'm going to get the grill fired up. I'm going to be cooking today on my Louisiana grill, the 800 series. We're going to be running today at 350 degrees. I'm going to get that grill fired up and I'll bring you back. Alright, so our grill's cruising at 350 degrees. There's nothing else to do to this thing except throw it on the grill. There's no stirring, there's no mixing. Just let this thing go about 20 or 30 minutes. That cheese will start to kind of bubble. It'll get a little brown on top and it's ready to eat. Let's get this on the smoker. Let that thing go about 20 or 30 minutes and we'll be back. Alright, so we've been rocking about 20 minutes. We're getting a good cheese bubble. Thing's looking about right. About another 5 minutes, we'll pull it off. Alright, so here we are. That dip wound up going about 30 minutes. You can see we've got real nice bubble on the cheese. Real nice bubble on that cheese. Getting a little brown on top. Let me tell you, this dip is absolutely delicious. It's one of my favorite dips. It's really easy to throw together. It's not hard, and it's always delicious. We come back and top it with a little bit of chives just to make it kind of look pretty. You don't have to do this. I've topped it with blue cheese also, little blue cheese crumbles, and it's amazing. You know I gotta take a bite. It's spicy, but not too spicy. The ranch dressing added with the chicken, this makes the perfect buffalo chicken dip. Hey, if you like what you see here, I got an Instagram page at Dyin Barbecue. I also got a Facebook page, Dyin Barbecue. We just cooked up buffalo chicken dip out here on the Louisiana grills, and it's delicious.